Have you ever noticed something strange about money? Some people seem to get richer every year, while millions of hardworking Americans feel like they're running in place. They wake up early, work full-time, pay their bills, and yet, at the end of the month, there's barely anything left. So what's really going on? It's not that wealthy people work harder, it's that they play a completely different money game. And once you understand the rules of that game, a lot of things start to make sense. For most people, life follows a familiar financial cycle. You earn a paycheck, you pay rent or a mortgage, cover groceries, insurance, gas, and a few subscriptions. Maybe you save a little. Then the next paycheck comes, and the cycle repeats. And when income goes up, expenses usually go up too. A nicer car, a bigger apartment, more monthly payments. This is the financial treadmill millions of Americans live on. Working harder doesn't always lead to getting ahead. And that's not because people are lazy or bad with money. It's because most of us were never taught the financial habits that actually build wealth. Most people are taught to focus on one thing: income, get a better job, ask for a raise, work more hours. And while income is important, it has one major limitation. Your time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day. Wealthy people think about money differently. Instead of focusing only on earning money, they focus on owning things that produce money. Things like businesses, assets, intellectual property, or investments that generate long-term growth. Think of it this way. Workers trade time for money. Owners build systems that can generate money without constantly trading their time. And over many years, that difference becomes massive. Here's another pattern you'll often notice. When most people earn more money, they upgrade their lifestyle. A better car, a bigger home, more expensive vacations, and there's nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But wealthy people tend to follow a different order. They increase their assets first, then later, their lifestyle. Instead of spending every extra dollar, they focus on building things that grow over time. Because the real power of money isn't spending it, it's letting it compound. When assets grow year after year, the financial pressure most people feel slowly disappears. Another reason the wealthy stay wealthy is simple. They think in decades, not months. Money that stays invested for long periods has time to grow, and growth builds on growth. That's how wealth compounds. But this only works if money stays in the system long enough. The wealthy also tend to prioritize financial education and passing assets down to the next generation. That's why wealth often stays within the same families. It's not luck. It's strategy applied over a very long time. The good news is this: these habits aren't reserved for the rich. They're simply ways of thinking about money that anyone can start learning. Instead of focusing only on earning more, start thinking about ownership. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle immediately, focus on building assets first. And most importantly, think long-term. Wealth usually isn't built in one big moment. It's built through small financial decisions repeated consistently for years. The biggest difference between struggling financially and building wealth often comes down to the rules you follow with money. So here's a question for you. What's one small financial habit you could start today that your future self would thank you for? Let me know in the comments.